Wine has been around for countries and one of the most complex drink ever. There is a science and history behind each and every bottle of wine. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here again in front of you all. Hello, I am Amit Das, Assistant Professor of Management Studies in Kontai College of Learning and Management Science. So let's get started with the most intellectual part of beverage, that is wine. Today we'll talk about wine. Each and every one of us, we knows that the wine is an alcoholic beverage which can be obtained by the freshly fermented juice of grapes. So now here we'll talk about the different types of wine. Apparently the classification has been done based on the three important point or three important circumstances. Those are the first one can be color, the second one can be taste, third one can be content. So these 3 points basically. Now based on the classification of color, there are 4 different types. The first one can be red wine, the second one can be white wine, the third one can be rosé wine, and the fourth one can be blush wine. So red wine, what it is actually? In case of red wine, we are getting the reddish color mainly from the pigment of the skin of the grapes, and the skin is allowed to remain in the fermentation tank either throughout the process or halfway through, and from the fermentation tank, with the absorption of that skin, we are getting the red color from the skin only. Next, what is white wine? White wine mainly getting prepared from the mixture of red and white grapes both. But if it is getting prepared from the red grapes only, then skin of the grapes, it should be removed as soon as possible when it is getting crushed, after that only. So the exact color of white wine will be pale straw in color, or maybe slightly greenish side, or maybe light golden in color. Next is rosé. Rosé, it is completely light pink in color, and it can be prepared from the mixture of red and white grapes both. In case of this rosé wine, the skin is allowed to keep in the fermentation tank for very short span of time, and it is around 24 to 36 hours, and within that short span of time we will be able to get slight pinkish color within the wine. Next is blush wine. Blush wine, it is very much light pink in color, and it is a new style of wine which is recently developed in California. Mainly in case of rosé wine, we have seen the skin is allowed to remain in the fermentation tank for around 24 to 36 hours, but in case of blush, it will be around 12 to 18 hours, so that we can get slight pinkish color inside the wine. This is what all about the classification of wine according to the color. Now next point will be the classification of wine according to the taste. Taste means it's basically the level of sweetness or the level of sugar. Based on that, the classification of wines. The first one can be dry wine, the second one can be sweet wine, and the third one can be medium or semi-dry wine. Here we have to know what is dry wine. Here we have to know what is dry wine. Mainly this dry wine, it is getting produced when all the sugar is getting converted into alcohol. The myth of fermentation is basically the sugars. We can fermented any vegetable, we can fermented any fruit juice, anything. If it is getting fermented, then the visible or invisible sugar is getting converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. So in case of this dry wine, it is getting produced when all the sugar is getting converted into alcohol. So the level of sugar is very minimum, or it is not there maybe. Then it is called dry wine. Next is sweet. Sweet wine, it is obtained when some sugar is left after the fermentation process. it's basically we are not allowing to break down all the sugar into alcohol or carbon dioxide. There are some sugars which is remain kept in the fermentation tank intentionally or forcefully we are stopping it. So sweet wine, it's bit sweeter in taste. The last is medium or semi-dry. It is a taste in between dry and sweet, and that is how we are calling it medium or semi-dry. The last classification, it is according to the content. Classification according to content, mainly there are 4 types again. First one is still wine, the second one is sparkling wine, the third one is fortified wine, and the fourth one is aromatized wine. Still wine, it is normal regular table wines which is getting prepared by the natural fermentation process. Normal red wines, white wines, these all are example of still wine. Now what is sparkling wine? Sparkling wine mainly it is getting prepared from the mixture of red and white grapes both. The speciality about sparkling wine, there is a natural carbon dioxide inside the bottle of sparkling wine. There is a presence of natural carbon dioxide which is creating a refreshing effect, and definitely there is a enough amount of peach just because of the enough amount of carbon dioxide. Next one is fortified wine. Fortified wine is the most strongest wine among all the varieties. During the fermentation process or post fermentation process, in the wine, in this type of wine, we are adding some grape based spirit. Mainly we are adding brandy. We can add some other grape based spirits also, and that is how the alcoholic percentage is getting higher. It's getting increased, and the alcoholic percentage of fortified wine, it is around 18 to 22%. The another name of fortified wine is heavy wine. Last, that is aromatized wine. Now what is aromatized wine? Aromatized wine, it's not that much of frequently available in the bar or in the hotels or in the market. Mainly aromatized wines are getting used as a digestive drink or sometimes for the preparation of different kind of cocktails. So how it is getting prepared? Mainly first wines are getting fortified and then it is getting infused with the different types of herbs or other aromatic agents, so that the wine can absorb the aroma of that particular ingredient. So that is what all about the classification according to the content. So once again we have discussed 4 types, that is still, sparkling, fortified and aromatized. At last I can say seemingly wine is a simple beverage that becomes more complex the more you study it. Thank you once again. We are Hospitality.